This is at Paula Mariz, welcoming you guys to my channel. If you're new in take two. If you're new in this channel, you can freely subscribe down below together with the notification bell and give it a thumbs up if you like this vlog. And also, you can also words. Comment down below if you have any ideas, suggestions about this vlog or in my channel. You can freely comment it down below. And that's it. Are you guys ready for this vlog? Even I am kind of nervous and excited and ready for this vlog. That's all. Okay, for today's vlog, I'm going to create a vlog about, or a vlog tip about how to vlog in public. Yes, actually, I want to credit also Jessa because we are actually brainstorming some of the easy and common thing that can be done in an easy way. I want to credit Jessa because we actually brainstorm some of the tips that I'm going to share with you guys. Yes, some of the tips are actually based in my experience, and some of the tips are actually given or advised by, given by Jessa. Thank you, Jessa May, for the brainstorming before we create the vlog. Yes, nag-brainstorm kami kanina ng mga, ewan ko kung ilang minutes lang yon. Sobrang bilis lang kasi, ayun. And that's it. Nag-base lang din ako kung saan, ito yung mga tips na sobrang dali and pwede nyong gawin, especially to all the beginners or aspiring vloggers out there. Yun lang naman. Nakikita nyo sa aking mga vlog mostly is actually in a public places or areas gaya ng malls, department stores, stores, hindi ko alam kung events, hindi ko alam kung meron ba akong vlog sa sidewalk eh. Ayan. Basta yun na yun. Yes, and that's it. Without further ado, let's start the vlog. My number one tip is actually ready your ideal vlog to be executed in a public place or where the place you want to execute or create your vlog or shoot your vlog. So you will know the story of your vlog. You know, you will be informed. Yes, you need to inform yourself that you're going to create this vlog in this place. Yes, so even though you're on the spot talking in front of your camera in public places like malls or roads, you know what you're saying, you know what you're going to do, and you're ready on what can be possibly happen in the vlog because you are thinking advance para mas maayos and alam mo yung flow ng gagawin mong vlog. Yun lang naman yun. Check the weather din kasi mamaya maulan at nakalimutan mo magdala ng payong for your gadgets. Kung may gusto kayong idagdag o edi madadagdag nyo, and kung may gusto kayong bawas, mababawas nyo kasi at alam nyo na yung pwedeng maging flow ng vlog. So, bali yun yung number one ko. So, for today's vlog, my number 2 step is be confident because when you're vlogging in a public place, because vlogging in a public place will actually get you conscious, but don't mind the people who look at you, staring at you. Just enjoy what you're doing and just make sure you don't capture, hindi nyo makuha yung ibang mga taong ayaw naman ma-feature. Jessa May said na you can please everyone. So, for our number 3, check the location na pagpa-vlogan nyo kung okay siya, kumuha ng video at kung ano pa. Yun lang naman ang number 4. Kasi minsan may mga establishment na hindi pumapayag kumuha ka ng video doon. Yes. This fourth step is This fourth step is for beginner. Kung ikaw naman ay sanay na mag-vlog ng ikaw lang mag-isa, that's good. Pero kung ikaw ay medyo baguhan pa lang sa part na yon, vlogging in public, well, okay lang naman may kasama ka. Pwedeng family mo, friends mo, boyfriend mo, girlfriend mo, bahala kayo, tropa nyo, minsan kapitbahay nyo, sige. Oo, aso nyo, sama mo habang nagwa-vlog. Parang may ano ka, at least, or may mapagtatanungan ka kung ano yung term na yun. Gaya niya, etong fourth step galing din sa kanya to eh. Kasi sabi niya, yun nga, paano kung kaya naman daw mag-isa, mag-vlog, o di good. Pero yung sa mga beginner na vloggers dyan na hindi sanay sa public, pwede nyo siya isama. hindi, yung friends nyo. Friends, dalagyan ko description dito, friend. Oh. May Facebook siya. Hindi, yun lang na. Good example yun. Friends, family, and kapitbahay nyo, alaga nyo. Yes, that is the fourth step. So, our fifth and final tip for vlogging in public is, naantok kasi ako ngayon eh. Pero sige, ayun, the fifth tip is, paulit-ulit tayo sa 50. Is find a location na talagang maganda yung view, ambience, and sapat lang yung tao, especially yung mga noise. Kasi, ayaw mo naman lahat nung sound ng vlog mo mapunta doon sa mga noise, di na makinig yung voice mo. So, ayan, sakto lang naman yung location namin. Kahit na sabihin mo nasa hagdanan kami, wala masyadong... Oo, kanina medyo madami, pero sapat lang. Ayan, sapat na sapat. And ayan, ang ganda din ng view, kala mo kung nasaan ka.
Dali mo na.
Ang takay, no? 2 video in one day.
Kaya nga dali mo na, no?
Ayun na nga po. Ayun na nga, ito na nga.
Sabi, edit mo na lang. Ayun yung view mo.
Kaya.
Hi, everyone!
So this is the end of my vlog. Okay. I hope you guys watch this until this part. And that's it. See you in my next vlog. This is again at Paula Mariz saying that sharing is a great way to learn and to help others too. Goodbye and have a great week ahead. Asa tabi ko lang po talaga siya.